Hello, my name is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading. Today I'm going to show you exactly how we trade here at Winner's Edge, how we map out a pair, how we determine what we do to get into an entry on a trade. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that on the USCN. I'm going to start at the weekly time frame. If you find this interesting, please share the article via social media, or also please leave a comment because your feedback is extremely important to us. We want to do whatever we can to help you advance and develop and to become a successful trader. These videos are here for you, so we want to hear what you have to say. So please share the content with your friends and also comment on it. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly chart. And the first thing I'm going to do is draw the trend line in place. So we'll look and you can see we have a trend here. I'm going to zoom it down a little bit just to make sure that everything's in play. Okay, and I have a system that I use, and that's I do red trend lines for the weeklies and then blues for the dailies. So I have that bottom trend line. You can see how steep it is. It's been such a tremendous upward move. It's been really amazing uh, how steep it is, and that's one of the things I'm going to comment on is just that this move is almost unsustainable at this point. It cannot keep doing this forever. I'm not saying that it's going to stop going up right now or follow this trend, but I would be expecting a little bit of pullback here. So this is the channel that we have developed right now, and I put this line here in the middle to kind of give you an idea of what it's moving. You know, a lot of times the price will center into the middle. So you can see that we've got a very strong upward channel developing. Very strong upward channel. Okay, and right now the price is moving back to this center line. So at this point we could see another bounce to the upside, which would be the 125, or we could see it drop down into some more consolidation towards the bottom of this channel, or even drop below and create another channel. Still wouldn't mean that it would be a downtrend, but maybe not quite as steep as what we're seeing right now. So the next thing that we like to do is once we have the weekly lineup, we like to look at the daily and draw some trend lines there. So you can see that we have, um, and I'm going to do this one in blue because I like to do it that way so I know exactly what I'm looking at. So we have a little bit of a wedge forming, okay, and there's also a horizontal line here developing. So let me move it back a little bit. So you can see that we have consolidation happening, a wedge forming in an upward channel. So obviously we want to look at going long here. And the dollar is very strong and the yen has been weak. So when you take that combination, you've got a great opportunity for a trade. So if the yen weakness continues to hold and the dollar strength continues to hold, we could see another nice move. So here's a couple things that we're looking at. A breakout of this channel to the top of here. So we're looking at the 124 area as a target. Okay, that's what I would be looking at. A break here from 118 to 124. So right, if you could capture a move like that, you'd be looking at 568 pips, which is a great move. If this level breaks here and then this channel breaks, we could be looking for another drop down to this trend wall somewhere in here, or maybe at some of these support levels at the 109, 110 level. So if we get a break, and it doesn't mean that the bullish trend is over, but it means that that crazy upward channel that I showed you here, this crazy move, is just getting a little bit of a retest, a consolidation. It's pulling in some more buyers into the market, which you've always got to be prepared for that to happen, even if you have a strong upward trend developing. So the way I would play this is if we get a break to the downside, just be looking to continue to maybe add in this area and looking to go back up or bouncing off of this bottom trend line. So there's several different ways that you can play this and look to trade. But one of the things that's really important with trading is to remember to do your planning ahead of time, wait for the market to come to where you want to get in, and then have your targets set up so that you know where the market is going. You don't want to be surprised or trading just as you see things happening right in front of you. You want to take your time, plot out your trading plan, plot out your strategy, and come up with the perfect trade. So once again, we're looking for a break here down into the bottom of this area, or we're looking for a break to the top, a bounce off of this level, and a break up to the 123 area. Pretty simple stuff. Just got to wait and be patient and let the market come to you. All right, thanks again. Please take your time to share this. Follow me on Twitter if you have any questions or comments. Send us an email. We love to hear back from the people that we're trying to help because this is not about us, it's about you. All right, thank you.